may or may not have flown the drone over Truist. It gave me authorization, right? I mean, if the drone says I can fly, I can fly. I don't know, I was kind of freaked out. Braves game today, boys. We got a mix of everything. This is gonna be kind of the first manager mo / vlog mo video. This is all gonna be set up for Daddy Dimmu TV. Man, he's gonna have a ton of fun. Big shout out to Candy Digital. This is gonna be an awesome experience. The game doesn't even start until 7 p.m. tonight. We're here early. It's like 2:15. We're gonna be meeting Michael Harris, maybe get on-field access for batting practice. We're gonna check out a bunch of things, boys. This is gonna be a lot of fun. Make sure you guys drop a like. That is the goal today. Dimmu on the field. Let's get it. Yay. Oh yeah, I mean, built-in pop filter.
Oh, yeah.
You can see the you can see the little green gold glowing in the beard.
Everybody's gonna be like, sorry, what the hell is that, sir?
But we're here. Are you excited?
I'm excited. I'm pumped.
We got special access. We went through like all the back ways and stuff. Do you feel like
we went through like all the places that are like dark tunnels?
Yeah, there was like a security like that. Yeah.
Everybody looked very serious.
He just picked up a City Connect. It's sick. I got to admit, it's sick. A City Connect Michael Harris jersey for the Braves to get signing. Right now we're just down here in like the Jim Beam dugout lounge, I guess. But Michael Harris is going to be coming out here. We're going to meet him. You beat him, right?
I did.
So are you going
to
talk
YouTube?
Are you going to talk shit? Like?
I mean, let him know that I'm the winner.
Okay.
I'm the champion.
So you're not going to fanboy.
I'm not a fan.
You're going to fanboy. You're going to fanboy.
It was a nasty game though, bro. Dude, I never know how good players are when I play them either. Like, I don't know if you know what I mean? You were just cracking them. I was like, all right, man. So next time I'm gonna hit the cycle against you, with you again when we play. All right? Every time now. You can't escape it.
I'll just walk myself. I wouldn't.
You're not even gonna pitch to you. I
You
feel
might
it.
have 5 walks.
Hey, you know what? That's fine. I understand it. I understand it.
This was dope, man. Big shout out to Candy Digital. Michael Harris has kind of just been chilling out, just talked to Dimmu about the game they just played on YouTube. But this was really cool, especially like on a game day for him to come out here, kind of just chill out, man, get to see some of the collectors. This was really fun. Everyone got autographs and pictures and all that. This was really cool. We did it.
We're on the field right now.
We're on the field. I don't know how or why, but like they gave me like full media access.
I'm not that cool. All right, I don't get to go to the clubhouse and press boxes, but okay, sure.
We're right here. We're right there. I see Ozzy over there.
There's Ronnie taking BP.
Yeah, Ronnie's taking BP right now.
Love it, love it.
That is right. You just had your super mega baseball announcement.
Yeah, I feel like now I should be able to take batting practice. You know, I'm in a game.
I do have one question.
Mm-hmm.
What was up with the 9 speed?
You know, shout out to EA for being so kind and generous to me. I am slower than I look. Can't get out of my own way.
But you have 99 power though, right?
Well, these hips don't lie.
Yeah.
These hips don't. They got power in them. You know what I'm saying? They're just not very fast.
Tank. Those are sick.
Those are sick.
Bro, this is sick. So this guy makes some custom shoes. Dude, he got, so those are what? Those are Jordan 13 cleats made for Mookie. He also made custom Michael Harris New Balance cleats also down here. Bro, with the
those
fur
are so
and
sick.
everything.
Those
Those
are
are
so
so sick, and they even got the little Braves mascot on that. The freaking thing, that is sick. I recorded a whole nice part. He said nice things about me, and I didn't record anything. I didn't.
Horrible.
I didn't hit the button.
Terrible, bad, fail.
It's been a very long day. Been a successful day.
I'm wet. I'm sweaty. We've been here for 5 hours.
He got the autograph and got on the field.
And we met Michael Harris. That was cool.
I asked him how I was doing as a manager, and he gave me a 10 out of 10, but I feel like it's
No video proof. 2 out of 10. My boobies are sweaty.
Dead late. We're still surviving. The Braves,
Or better.
they did take a lead. 3-1. He's gonna win again. I was hoping for the sweep. Because I wanted to get back.
No, you got lucky the first 2 games. This is where the real talent comes out now.
You were nervous there for a second that Gosselin was gonna throw a no-hitter.
There's
Facts.
no video proof of that next.
I'm not gonna lie. Big fan of the pitch clock right now, but the game's kind of flying by.
We've been here all day, so that's true.
But it's been a lot of fun. We're gonna enjoy the rest of it, boys. We out. Yay.